How to install Ubuntu from a live USB. Imagine turning your computer into a fresh, powerful machine with just a few simple steps. That's what installing Ubuntu from a live USB can do for you. It's a popular way to get Linux on your computer without needing a DVD or complicated setup. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do it smoothly and confidently. First, you need a USB flash drive that is at least 4 gigabytes in size. Some newer versions of Ubuntu might need 8 gigabytes or more, so check the version you want to install. To start, go to the official Ubuntu website and download the ISO file. This file contains all the installation data for Ubuntu. Next, you'll need a tool to make your USB bootable. If you are using Windows, Rufus is a good choice. On a Mac or Linux system, Bailna Etcher works well. If you are already on Ubuntu, you can use the built-in Startup Disk Creator. Open your chosen tool and select the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded. Then, pick your USB drive from the list. Make sure you select the correct drive because this process will erase everything on it. Click Start or Create to write the ISO to the USB. This process can take a few minutes. Once it's done, safely eject the USB drive. Now, you are ready to boot from the USB. Insert the USB into the computer you want to install Ubuntu on. Restart the computer and immediately press the key to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Common keys are F2, F12, Del, or ESC. If you're unsure, check your computer's manual or look for on-screen instructions during startup. Inside the BIOS or UEFI, find the boot order menu. Change the order so that the USB drive is first. Save your changes and exit. Your computer will restart and should boot from the USB. When Ubuntu loads, you will see a menu with options. You can choose to try Ubuntu without installing or go straight to installing. If you want to test how Ubuntu works on your hardware, pick the Try option. It runs directly from the USB without changing anything on your computer. To install Ubuntu, select the Install option. Follow the prompts to choose your language, keyboard layout, and time zone. You will then see options to install Ubuntu alongside your current operating system, erase everything for a clean install, or set up custom partitions. If you want a fresh start, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Enter your username and password when prompted. The installer will copy files and set up your system. This can take around 10 to 20 minutes depending on your computer. Once the installation is finished, the system will ask you to restart. Remove the USB drive when prompted, so your computer boots into your new Ubuntu system. That's it. Installing Ubuntu from a live USB is a straightforward process that gives you a clean, functional Linux system. It's a great way to try out Linux without making permanent changes or needing extra hardware. Just follow these steps, and you'll have Ubuntu running on your machine in no time.